Hi, it's Ripple and Andy from Mugara Box Hill. We're excited to showcase this home to you.
Here we are at number 36 Woodhouse Grove in the highly sought after and leafy green Box Hill North. Super excited to share this one with you. The master bedroom is fully equipped with an ensuite with a double basin as well as 2 walk-in robes. Well, the heart of the home is certainly in this open plan family area featuring the dining zone as well as an outdoor alfresco. And for the kids, you have a dedicated wing with 3 bedrooms supported by a central bathroom. With Box Hill Central in one direction and Westfield Doncaster in the other, the location here underpins the value of your family home for many years to come.